Welcome to Rpreparation.com, India's first e-learning platform for the HR competitive exams. This video is all about BHEL ETHR 2022 online crash course. This course consists of study materials and test series. Before subscribing to the course, you need to go through these course details. Here is the key highlights of the course. Let's look into real-time view of course with other details. Here you can find two different parts as said. This course consists of study materials and test series. This course is customized as per exam pattern. According to BHEL, there are 4 sections. In this study materials, we provided ebooks of subject knowledge, section 2 and 4. Section 3 consists of test series only. Here is the section 1, subject knowledge or professional knowledge. Each section have topics and subtopics. We provided comprehensive study materials and covered all corners of the subject or topic, so no need to refer any standard books or materials. Here is topic management and subtopics too. Here HRM with subtopics. Here HRD with subtopics. Here IR with subtopics. Here labor legislations with subtopics. Here labor welfare and market with subtopics. Here labor laws with each act with simple language and limited pages, so no need to stress yourself. Here new labor code with codes. Here is the section 2 with subtopics. Here is the section 4 with subtopics. Now look at test series. Unit-wise or topic-wise test series consists of professional knowledge and rest 3 sections too. You can see Section 1 subject knowledge, Section 2 reasoning, Section 3 GK, Section 4 general English. In each topic-wise test series, we added basic level questions, moderate level questions and difficult level questions with detailed explanations. Like study materials, here also you can find test series of topics and subtopics. Here is topic management and subtopics too. Here HRM with subtopics. Here HRD with subtopics. Here IR with subtopics. Here labor legislations with subtopics. Here labor welfare and market with subtopics. Coming to labor law and labor code, we covered each section, chapter, schedule and amendment into questions, so you can cover whole act or code by this act-wise or code-wise test series. Here, new labor code with codes. Here is the section 2 with subtopics. Here, section 3. Here is the section 4 with subtopics. So far we have seen topic-wise test series. Now we are here at model mock test. There are 10 model mocks as per exam pattern only. 120 MCQs from subject knowledge, 50 MCQs from section 2, 20 MCQs from section 3 and 50 MCQs from section 4. Total 240 MCQs as per each model mock. Each question carries 1 mark and 1/4 negative marking for wrong answer. 150 minutes is allotted time for test. Now we have previous year solved papers. We provided 2019 solved paper with explanation for subject knowledge only. It will help you to understand the question pattern of exam. If you want to check quality of content, then you can check demo or sample part. Under free test series, you can find demo or sample test series. In this demo, you can understand the quality of content by its questions, options and detailed explanations. Before attempting demo test, please ensure to log in. Under ebooks, you can check demo or sample study materials. Here, you can find course brochure in PDF format to read. You may get confused about which package you need to subscribe. Here you can find different packages or validity courses like 1 month validity, 2 months validity, 3 months validity. So if you're already preparing since quite long or exam will be held in 30 days, then go with 1 month validity course. It's like just polish your knowledge before exam. If you want to start preparation from scratch or from basic level, then go with 2 months or 3 months validity course, depends on your need or exam date. This is all about BHEL ETHR 2022 online crash course demo. For inquiries, please call or WhatsApp on given contact number. For more details, visit our website www.hrpreparation.com. Happy learning!